Still getting some movement. Yeah, the biggest score we've had at this ground was 380. That was scored by Scotland against the Netherlands. That was 2 pitches away from this one. It's on the inside of us. So to Scott Edwards' left-hand side is not the one next to it, it's the one next to that. That was where the big runs were scored in the first ever ODI played here. Skip down the track there from Edwards. Crowd developing again.
Yeah, as mentioned, nice summer's day as we've just hit midday right here in the Netherlands.
School holidays as well, of course.
One of those inflatable pools would be really
Yeah, in the commentary box.
or just next to it.
Yeah.
Or just being able to dip our toes or feet in it.
Yeah, that'd be very nice. You've got the shorts. Schoolboy error this morning. You usually arrive in your sort of clad, game day camera clad, and then once the camera responsibility's done and dusted, it's into the shorts. But yeah, back in the hotel room. Yeah, keep her up like this. This is good thinking. Just make Edwards just reconsider the shuffle he's taking down the pitch.
Yeah, in the previous overs he was shuffling, but not towards the ball, moving across, just to try and get to the pitch of the ball. But you want to take that risk now and walk past one. Yeah, some great pictures this afternoon.
Yeah, many of the fans here have been all week, haven't they? They've been up staying in the hotel.
I think we might have made a couple of people jealous about quite incredible ideas about dipping our toes.
Yeah, it's worth pointing out we don't actually have a swimming pool available.
Yeah, just in case.
We would like one. I mean, if there was, yeah, we could, you know, somebody could get onto Amazon Prime and. Other providers are available. The whip one over, that would be very nice.
So another really good over here from Karen Casey. It's just put up a lot of pressure. Do you think maybe one more from him?
Well,
His second maiden.
must be a temptation. I have done a bit of commentary from a pool before, by the way. Done a bit of commentary from the middle of a swimming pool before. England's tour of the West Indies in 2019, I was sent out bravely to the middle of the Barmy Army, get a little bit of reaction. It's nicely bowled again.
You've done a lot of incredible things
Well, not
with
really.
the mic in the most recent years. I mean, dare we talk about your commercial as well, West Indies?
Yeah. Still find it. Don't think the Imperial Bay Resort still exists, unfortunately, regardless of all my efforts to promote it in St Kitts. And again, it did look a little bit like Alcatraz, the prison camp. Nicely played by Deleda.
Yeah, rotate the strike. Don't lose any wickets. Settle. Edwards 9 of 20, Deleda 8 of 12. You'll still be able to catch up later on.
Yeah, that's it, isn't it? Just navigate these overs, so much time in an ODI. Looking to go through the offside, ends up sort of skewing it out on the leg side. There'll be a couple here for Edwards, not exactly where he wanted it to go. I think what's interesting here, clearly the approach is not to allow Rajbanshi to settle. Try and have a little energy against him, which was lacking last time round against him.
Well, the two, Edwards and Deleda, have been the highest run scorers in this part of the series. Of course, Deleda has got 97 of 92. Deleda has got a 41 and a 60. So it'd be in Nepal's best interest to make sure that they break this partnership.
Wouldn't it ever? Yeah, the blue ribbon partnership, isn't it? Deleda and Edwards. In terms of the calibre they both possess in this Netherlands side. Interesting. Sheikh was given a sultry over last time round. Arif Sheikh. Went for 9, I think, from memory. That one over. Bowled in the final throws of that game against Namibia. Trying to work out what the rationale here is with some of the other resources they have available. I wonder if Does this still allow maybe a change of ends from Rajbanshi? Or is a little hunch that Rohit Paudel has? .50 up. Coming in the 15th over. It's been hard work. Tidy work from backward point. Dipendra Singh Ari, irrepressible as always. Might be tight, will it? No, gets home, I think.
There's been a few of those. Is it really worth the risk at this point in time? Or is it just trying to put pressure on the fielders?
Oh, it's gone. Was it? No, probably just home, I think. I think it's just if you can, and just rotate the strike, you know. I guess the rationale behind that risk aspects, if you're taking a few of them, might be worth running the gauntlet. When it looks in isolation, it does look dangerous. Very good running. Well played as well by Deleda into that little gap on the leg side. Nicely done. Players will take a breather after the first hour of play. 53 for 3 are the Netherlands. 15 overs gone.
देख्छु भनेको